Own your spiritual identity. This is a reminder, right? Isn't spiritual growth really is about remembering? It's a reminder. There's a Sanskrit word called smriti, remembering who you are. I'm not my mind, I'm not my body, I'm not my emotions, I'm a spiritual being. I'm the one who has a mind, has emotions, has a body. Now that's very, very important. Why? Because it's important to realize that you are pure consciousness living in this body that has a mind and has emotions. And because of that, you can observe your thoughts and your emotions and not get sucked or drawn into them and lost in your emotions, lost with the ups and downs of life. And heaven knows we got plenty of those. See, I'm venturing to say most people have no idea of what we just said. Most people are reacting to what's going on in the world around them. They're constantly reacting. Something happens and it triggers an emotion. Now we all have that, let's face it, we all have that to some degree. But what a totally different experience when you are aware you're not your mind and you can observe those thoughts and those feelings, because then you don't get sucked into them. You don't become the emotions. See, that's what often happens. Something happens out here, people get triggered, they feel angry, and next thing you know, the anger takes control, and the thoughts feed the anger, and the anger feeds the thoughts, or the sadness feeds the sadness, and it's just a cycle, a whirlpool. Neutralization of the waves of feeling, the whirlpools of feeling. It's a whirlpool that we get lost in, and we become the emotion. Instead of remembering, wait a minute, I'm a spiritual being, I'm not my emotions, I'm not my thoughts. We can observe them. And so that's what I would encourage us to do, which is first of all, own that you're a spiritual being, and then make the commitment to stay in that observer consciousness. It's what the Buddhists call the seat of self. It's where you stay in that place of being able to observe your thoughts and your feelings. You may still have them, you are going to have them. You're still going to have moments of being angry or sad or wishing things were different. It's still going to be that way, but you're going to be observing it instead of one with it. Big difference, because when you can observe it, then it passes through you. Thank you for watching. We upload new videos and content every week to inspire and empower you on your spiritual journey. We look forward to seeing you again soon.